Professor in Civil Department, Business College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking on water characteristics and different aspects. Our students, secondary and technical civil department, are going to present the topic.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Odor. So, I am going to emphasize about the problem, which is the what are the water problems which we are facing today. Okay. So we can categorize into three categories. One is physical, chemical, and biological. Physical categories comes under the things like the change in color, or else the turbidity of the water is getting changed due to the exposure which is taking place on the water, and the taste and odor has been changed due to the mixing of chemicals. And on the we have seen the physical side. Now we are going to see the chemical side. Chemical side, we have to consider the things like amount of oxygen which is present inside the water, the chemical toxicity, the chemical deposits which is being deposited on the water, and chemical and the pH scale. And on the biological category, if we are going to see in the sense how many amount of amoeba, bacteria which is present, we have to analyze it. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Veera Raghavan from Civil Department. I am share about empathies. Water scarcity due to the human population growth and climate change. Unequally water distributed from urban and rural area. Floating and water logging in cities.
Good morning all, I am Deepak. I am going to explain the defining stage of this problem statement. The simple statement is how can we protect our physical and chemical biological water properties until it becomes prevented. Use various methods to prevent water storage system, water filter system. The simple statement of the means how can we use effective methods to prevent water is become polluted.
And Saran, prototypal, building simple working models, working simple of water filter, rainwater harvesting, irrigation, water testing, kilo demo, engineering safety of the practical materials.
And for the testing, I am Regulation from Civil Development. When we look at the testing, we should compare the waterborne diseases and water quality before and after filtration, and we should measure the reduction of water and waste of water, and we should observe the waterborne disease reduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Smriti Kishore. I am going with result. The cleaner and safer water is the pure hygiene, and water conversion is the understanding water of the pure water resource. Thank you.
Our students have presented the topics on characteristics of water. Here we have mentioned that three characteristics. One is physical, chemical, and biological. Physical plays a role here. They have mentioned like color, odor, taste, turbidity, and all. There are certain tests available to know the characteristics of water as well as parameter of water. Our students are going to take test on those topics. However, the water is fit for drinking or not. So, chemical characteristics, we have different chemicals present in the water like calcium, magnesium, like Hardness, and sulfate, chlorides, nitrates, and all. So, BOD, COD plays major role in the characteristics of water. So, we have to know about the BOD as well as COD, because if BOD is present, means the lot of microorganisms present in water will be increased day by day. So, we have to reduce BOD as well. And chemical oxygen demand means nothing but we have to improve the chemicals as well as the oxygen supporting for the chemicals should be removed. Then only the chemicals can be removed. In the water treatment we have done, we have to remove the COD, then only the water will be pure. So our students generally take the topic as challenging to make the water purable for drinking, and also water should be free from any pollutants. Then only we can lead a healthy life. So here the major role plays on pollutants should be recovered from the water. Thank you.
Sir explained well, and also our seniors explained well. Now I am going to detail explain the biological properties of water. Biological properties of water, the water how much amount of contains the microorganisms like protozoa, bacteria, and viruses. The protozoa is also present in everywhere in the plants, etc. Protozoa is a microorganism used to give the efficient about the protozoa and also explain about the bacteria and viruses. Bacteria is also divided by good and bad bacteria. Water can be viruses also involved. They can be removed and reached by boiling method of water.